Hello. I hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. Hello, Danny. How are you doing? Let me just double check if everything is working as I expected to. I don't want to be fucked around. La la la. La la. All right. So, voice. Yes, I can hear my own fucking shit sound. Lovely. All right. Hi, Danny. Hi, Kumar. How are you doing? All right, guys. So, where we are in the market. I mean, I sent a lovely little morning brief today to everyone. I hope you guys saw it. I can basically just quickly show it again. So, ignore these. They're fucking waste. So, my medium term high expectation. Oh, this is my English. Fucking English. Being an Indian, that's the problem, right? You don't know English. So, medium term high for me is basically around 31,600 area. This will be the baseline area, and the long term high expectation for me is 36,000. Q3 for 2026 is what I'm expecting for 31,000 to be hit, and then 36,000 around Q1 2027. You will be like, how the fuck can you give time? Well, it's mostly the seasonality of the market. That's how the market moves, and that's how the market plays out. So it's based on the seasonality, nothing else. I'm not trying to be over smart here. The market is going to basically show its retracement leg. We are in May. It's going to start its retracement leg, and that whole saying of sell in May and go away might start playing out a bit there. So that's why I'm expecting a retracement leg overall. And once that's done, 1 second, guys. Lovely. Cool. So yeah, once that's done, then I expect the market to rally in the Q4, Q3, Q4 period. And then again, another retracement leg starting from maybe around 34,000 area down towards the previous all-time highs that are created right now, and then a push higher into Q1 and Q4. So that's my expectation on the higher time frame. Looking at the daily chart, the candle looks fucking shit right now. But overall, I'll just get rid of this and I'll just draw everything up. So yeah. So what am I waiting for? The most important thing for me right now is this change in state of delivery. Once we have a confirmation over here that we have done a change in state of delivery, I can then start expecting the price to kind of push higher, right? If until that happens, I'm basically kind of stuck in this mindset that we are bullish. And well, it is true, we are ultra bullish, but once this change in state of delivery is done, you can start thinking about price going down to those weekly fair value gaps that are sitting in discount. So most likely this fair value gap, and I'm not saying it's going to go down that much, because that's what, how much percentage points is that? What, 15? No, 10. That could happen easily. So maybe go down into this fair value gap, retest, bounce from there, and you'll have like this order block sitting here as well. So there's a lot of area of interest that are sitting in that zone. So keep an eye on that zone if we start going down. But before we even go down, there is a very high chance, I think a 90% chance, that we will be leaving a fair value gap right over here. So I would not be surprised if price comes down here, consolidates for a week or two, and then just pushes higher from here, which is completely acceptable, because in June Q2 is going to end, and my thesis is Q3 is going to be somewhere around here. So if for around next 2-3 weeks we just play around in this area and then just show a bounce, I think my thesis will play out as I expect it to. And yeah, let's see what happens there. But daily, as I said, you want to wait for a change in state of delivery. Once that happens, then you should be like, okay, I'm bearish, I need to see price go lower. Every day I wake up, I'm going to look for shorts, at least neutral to bearish, not even if not bearish properly, neutral to bearish time frame. That's where you go, that bias, that's how you're going to see the market. So let's see what that has to offer to us. 4 hourly is sitting in this perfect spot where market open is going to dictate what happens, right? My true drawn liquidity for today is this low, 28,745, but I'm going to be honest with you, till the time we are trading above this very small fair value gap right over here, I am going to stay bullish, right? I will be bullish till we are above. The moment we go below and start closing like 5-minute candle below it, there's going to be a very quick trade down to this liquidity. So that's what I'm aiming for, because right now, if anybody has studied even a little bit of technical analysis, you are in the OTE area. You don't want to be shorting this. Like, you really don't want to do that. I know one of my very cute friend has shorted the market and he was asking me where he should put his stops. But you should not be shorting this area. You should be right now thinking there is a bounce in store happening. For reason number one, you haven't achieved the 200% yet. You have kind of come close to it, not yet achieved it. And 400 to 450% for this back-to-back fair value gap is literally that fucking draw on liquidity. So that is the draw today, for me at least. If the market starts bouncing, well, I'm fucked. I might not get a trade, but I'm looking at that. The only other thing that's there to save you is this nice little order block right over here, which created this new all-time high. So yeah, there are things that will help you propel higher, but there are things. Well, why should I tell you, Po? It's been what, 8 months you're part of the mentorship. If you make these stupid mistakes, then I'm not gonna tell you. No, I see. At the end of the day, your trading is your trading. My job is to guide you, and I am, as I said, we are in this order block, right? So this is a unicorn that's playing out, right? This is basically a unicorn. So if you put your stops underneath somewhere and you're planning along, I don't mind that. It could very well play out. And I'm being honest, it could very well play out very easily. So just calm down, stay with it, put your stops. And I think I told you where to put your stops. And if that's the case, you should be stopped out by now. Yeah, you should be stopped out now. Because once you swept left a fair value gap, you should be like, this is the protected high. I'm going to move my stops here, and you're stopped out now. So yeah, you should be out of this trade. Oh no, you were in a short, right? Yeah, so you should be stopped out. All right, so let's quickly go to the session liquidity. It's fun, very, very beautiful session overall. Let's get the... All right, so I'm gonna get rid of everything. I don't need them. I'll rather just play as I do. So cool. Lovely, 1 second. All right, so we have Asia high left intact, but obviously New York AM high, New York PM high took this. So let's keep an eye here. New York AM high was swept. We had a manipulation block. Market just kept retesting and punched down. AM low is gone. Previous day low is gone. Nice retest, push down. We have this back-to-back 15-minute fair value gap for which the targets are not yet achieved. 200% is done, but not 400. Maybe, Po, your trade might play out indeed, because we are leaving all this liquidity untouched. Intraday, it looks like it wants to go lower straight away. I mean, that FVG, wait for that FVG to kind of get inverted might not be the best decision. I don't know, Po, if you were stopped out or not, but overall, it feels like, that might play out. Can you explain your fib, where you pull it from? Looks like the bottom of one of the wick to the top of the third wick. So it's basically acceleration gaps. So what you're trying to do with acceleration gaps is you take the first candle's low. Let's say there's a bearish acceleration gap, Louis. Can I put this? Producer, can you put Louis' comment on the screen, please? So everyone can see it properly. Mr. Producer, thank you so much, brother. So what you're trying to see here is that you have the first FVG. Let me zoom in a little bit further. We have 5 minutes. So you have this first candle, then an FVG candle, right? And then this candle. So this candle is the first point of touch, right? This is the first point of touch, and then this is the third point of touch, right? So over here, you click first here, then you click here, and then you're looking for 200 minus 200 minus 250, and then minus 400 minus 450. So that's what you're looking for. All right. Hope that makes sense, Louis. If you have any other questions, dude, please join the Discord. Ask it in the chat, and I'll give you more examples so that you can know. Hello, Mr. Murph. Murph, I tried to get in touch with you. What a boring person you are. You didn't even reply to me. No, just kidding. No, Murph is fine. Don't put Murph's comment. He's just saying hi. He's a nice guy. Murph's been kind to me. So let's see how we react here. Keeping an eye on this area. Okay, so 15 minute is looking beautiful, man. London low taken. Oh my god, this could be a beautiful trade pre-market, but do we have the balls to take a pre-market trade? Well, I mean, I don't have the balls. I don't have the balls to take a pre-market trade. Okay. Oh, fuck me. Man, I'm trying this new firm, Top One Futures. I'm trying to get a discount coupon with them. They're a small firm, but they look decent. I'm just going through their reviews, like to see whether they are good enough or not. But they kind of look good. If I can get affiliated with them, that would be good. I'll make some money, and maybe you guys can get some discounts. I don't know how many YouTubers are this honest that they say that use my affiliate because I want to make money. Most of them just say use my affiliate so that you can get discount. I'm like, no, fuck the shit. I make money, you make some discounts. The truth. I really want to see how we react here. It's where is the Discord link? Just scan that shit. Murph. On the screen, on the corner, the QR code, scan that shit. Scan it, go. I'm keeping an eye, Murph. I want to see joiner and leave. I have a joiner leaver channel where I get to see who all are joining, who all are leaving. And then, just get angry when people leave. But we have a very low number of people that leave. I think we are offering good quality, so people stay. I like that. Okay, let's see. 2 minutes to 15-minute closure, and this fair value gap is being killed. That's a fucking good reaction of that 4-hourly FVG. Well, nothing's done yet, so let's not get excited. Let's get this party started. Hello, Avi. Risk first. I remember. Avi, risk first. I still don't know why you have risk first in your name. So explain it to me in the chat. Why do we have risk first in your name? That's a beautiful candle. I mean, I have nothing to say on this candle right now. I don't want to trade this candle, even though my balls are tickling and they're telling me just fucking go long. But I don't think I have the guts. Let's do FOMO trade. Let's just fucking go long here and just do a FOMO trade. All right, 4 seconds to open, 3 seconds to, and we are up and running. Ah, you picked the name randomly. Okay, that's cool then. Change it. Discipline first. Change it to Avi Discipline first. You're a trader. You're not a gambler. Everything about you, represents what you are. So change it. I want to long, but I don't want to long. It's a weird feeling. Retest. If we come below and close below, I will take a trade. If we start like inverting this and this, I will most likely take a trade from here and go short to around whatever area. Producer, can you reduce the volume of the song in the background as well, please? Make it like 5%. I'm trying to find a better song for us. The only thing that concerns me is that there could be a turtle soup right on the London low, so I'll just wait for it. I'll wait for it and I'll basically let it do its thing. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to take the trade straight away. It's just look at the reaction of this candle. I'll just wait for it. Give it some more time. Let's show some patience and yeah, and see. All right, people who are not on Discord, join the Discord. There's this QR code. We will remove the QR code in the next 1 minute or so, and then you can join us from the link in the description. So there is a link in the description as well, so you can join us from there, because most of the people don't even know what chart I'm looking at because of the QR code. So yeah, let's get rid of the QR code if we can. Otherwise, people will think I'm trading some random shit. Still waiting, guys. Still waiting. I don't see an opportunity yet. I feel the market is just making up its mind, because the last 15-minute candle was ultra bullish. This one has come very, very deep. So I just want to give it some time to kind of decide on what it wants to do. Most likely give it like the first 5-6 minutes and then decide what I want to do. The Discord link is not in the description. Well, somebody is getting fired. We'll put it. Don't worry. Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Let's just have it in the chat. And yeah, that's fine. If there are people who want to join, just put it in the chat. Still waiting. Nothing to see. Nothing to see. Nothing to do. No, Scoop says no. What happened, brother? Why are you angry? Producer, can we put it in the chat, the Discord link, please? Thank you. Thank you, my friend. I'm still waiting. I'm not entering yet. I don't feel comfortable with this position yet. I'm just gonna let it wait. Let it wait. Let it wait, because I don't know. Let it wait. Let it. I'm gonna take a shot here. It will be half risk. I'll put my stops above here. And aim, firstly, let me enter, and then I'll just fucking explain why I want to take this trade. Okay, I'm in. Good fill. Not bad. Just somewhere around here. Okay, so, and I'm going to aim for 400% right down somewhere around here. So let's see if it wants to go there or not. The reason for this trade is the retest of this inverted fair value gap and the reaction, the initial reaction from it. So if you look down on the lower time frames, it's a good reaction from the retest, and I'm just basically putting my money on that okay, this reaction is going to sustain and we'll start pushing down from here. But let's see. Let's not put too much money on that, right? Half risk, that's why. So it will be around 3.5 hour trade. Let's see, I'll take a first TP on this low if we reach there. So this will be my first TP area, and after that I'll just let the remaining go down, just be open. So let's see what happens. So good overall rejection from the inversion. I want to see a new low created. If a new low is created, or we leave a fair value gap after creation of the new low, I'll literally move my stops quickly, because it's kind of undecisive where this market wants to head towards. It's being very choppy, and that's why I went half risk. I did not want to go full risk, because in choppy markets, what can happen is it will show you that it wants to do something and it will just straight away reverse. So yeah, 29075 is Wednesday low, right? 29075. Where are you? 29075. It might be. I don't know. Yeah, it's over here, right? Wednesday 13th May low, yes. So let's see. Not liking it. Should not have stalled after the rejection. See, what you want to see most of the time is that if price is getting rejected from a level, it should be a displacement and not what you are seeing right now. What you are seeing right now is that the price came down, stalled, and now it's trying to push and it's deciding what I want to do. If it is not able to break through these lows with aggression, that means most of the time that you are getting stopped out. It needs to break through these lows with aggression. So this next candle should basically invert this fair value gap as well, right over here. So this is what you should be aiming for. Invert this fair value gap for me, please. Because if you don't invert that fair value gap for me, 90% of the time, you're just going to reverse from there. So good push down. Yeah, I'll just give it a couple more seconds. It's trading below it. So yeah, that's fine. So if this candle closes below, then the turtle soup theory is out of the way. If this candle closes above it, then, well, the turtle soup theory still works. That would be my TP1. Just a second. One more push down. If it can. Hopefully it can. Because I have put limit orders here. So either I'll take it manually or I'll wait for a push down. I'll just wait for a push down. Let's see. Imagine it goes back all the way up and stops me out since I did not take a TP. That would be so stupid. Come on, just push down and take me. Oh, are you fucking serious? Shit market, hate you. Oh, fuck you market, fuck you 10 times a day. It's gonna go up and just fucking stop me out now. That's fine. Whatever happens, happens. But also, since we have left a fair value gap here, I'm going to move my stops to break even. So I'm going to go risk free on this trade. The reason is we have broken out of the 5-minute range. We have left a fair value gap on the outside of the 5-minute range. For me, that's a type of entry, the orb entry that I trade. And for that, the stop loss will be the high of this candle. So I'm going to go break even on this trade. So because from here, it will basically start telling me that you want to go long. If this market goes above this and goes above here, that's a long condition for me because you have taken all the liquidity. You could not push lower and then you're reversing. So let's just move that. Stops to break even. There's no TP done yet. So if we are stopped out, it's a 0-hour trade. It's as if we have just paid some fees because this fucking candle is literally at the top. So yeah, let's just do that first. That's done. And Discord link is now in the chat. So people who want to join, who are not on Discord, please join. Squid Traders has posted a Discord link there. It's free of cost. There's no associated cost with the Discord. We try to share as much knowledge as we can. Obviously, we have products that we sell, but it's not necessary that you buy them. And it's totally up to you whether you want to buy or not. It's totally your wish. But yeah, that's another story. So if we are stopped on this, just FYI, it should be a 0-hour trade. I think I was greedy. I should have just taken a TP here, but that's fine. Whatever has passed has passed. You really can't change that. So yeah, stopped out on this one. I'm stopped. So break even, net zero. Fuck you, market. Fuck you. I just had a feeling you're going to do that. I really had a feeling. When it stalled over here, I swear I had a feeling this is going to just turn around. And it's my stupidity that I should have just taken this low into consideration, these equal lows right over here for my TP instead of these equal lows right over here, which I felt the market should draw towards. But that's fine. We will be looking at the market and seeing how we react to this inversion now. Do we react bullishly or we react bearish? If we are bearish, that's another trade for you from here and you can again take it down. So let's see. So the orb entry is stopped out, right? And now if we basically push higher and we invert this fair value gap right over here, that will become a long entry for me. It's okay. It doesn't matter, Steven. See, if we started crying about each and every trade that did a U-turn on us like that, uh, trust me, life is going to become very sad. You took a TP, that's good, really good, because I basically placed limit orders and I was like, yeah, fuck it, it's very close. It's what, $10 away, so I'll just wait for it. So let's see how we react here. I want to see the 2-minute chart once. So okay. It's okay. So let's see how we react here. I would expect a bullish reaction now. But if we close below, then that's going to open my eyes up. So if we close below and we basically leave another candle that is a fair value gap, then I'll be very interested in this. Oh, chop fest again. Sorry, I'm quiet because I'm thinking. Don't take it in the wrong way. All right, so my planning right now is I am planning a short position again. But for me to execute that short position, I want to see this 15-minute break structure towards the downside, and which it is doing now. So if this candle can close lower as well, then this will be the short position I'll be looking for. All right, but I want this candle to kind of push below, like push not like this, up further lower, until it basically closes below this order block. Once it closes below this order block, I'll go short. Okay, I'm gonna be ready just in case. So not yet. Another candle. 9 seconds. And your stop loss will be above this order block, so you can use this as a stop loss. That's fine. So you're just waiting. Okay, I'm gonna go short here. Okay, cool. I'm in. My entry is here. Stops are above here. All right, you're basically putting your stops above here. You can also use this as a stop loss. That's fine if you want to use, but I'm using this as my stop loss. And the aim is around 2.8 hour. And in this case, I'll take a TP this time. I'm not going to be an asshole. So I'll take a TP around 1 hour. So somewhere around 29,097. I hope the market reaches there. 29,097. Okay, limit order placed 29,097 for 1 hour. At 1 hour, I'm closing 25%. So I have in total 5 contracts. So I'll close like 1 contract on there and then just manage the trade. So 29,097, guys. Just remember, if you are like, in the trade with me, then yeah, just remember. So it's over, like, to be precise, somewhere around here. Imagine if it turns around from here again, and it's not clipped me. It's like what? Fucking $3. If it turns around from here, I am going to quit trading, at least for this week. That means this session, and that means by Monday I'll be back. That's my TP. Thank you very much. So that's my TP. TP1 done. At least made some money. Fuck you, market. Fuck you. Where can we move our stops? I'm going to move my stops to the top of this order block, basically right over here, 29,187. So I've reduced the risk quite significantly because I've taken a contract off and I have reduced the overall risk as well. So even if I get stopped out, it's not going to be a massive loser. It will be a loser, just FYI. If I get stopped on this trade, I'll be negative on the session. I'll not be net positive on the session. So I will be negative on the session. It's just that a little less negative, around 0.6, 0.7 R max. 0.6 R, to be honest. Yeah, around 0.6 R. Okay, let's see what's happening on the higher time frames. Yeah, our stops are in a good place. I mean, you would expect price to get rejected from here if it really wants to go lower. But the problem now is that you have already achieved the 200% and 250% of this 15-minute. Okay, so if it bounces here, it's completely valid, right? It's not a problem for price to bounce from here. So yeah. Well, looks like not a good day for me. Stopped out on this. We are minus 0.55 R. So minus 0.55 R for now. But this was a half risk trade, right? So it would be what? Minus 0.2 R overall, 25 R something. Like in terms of proper R. Nice V-shaped recovery. This will be the last trade for me. And yeah, it's just fucking shit right now. Don't know where this market wants to really head towards. Okay. Steven is grateful. Steven, what are you grateful about? Like life? He took TP at 29,175. Okay. So Steven, don't be grateful about money, man. You don't have to be grateful to me. I have inherent what's the right word for it? Life, exactly. Like for life, if you're grateful, amazing. But if you're grateful for me giving a trade and you making some money, don't be, because when I do that, I basically have my own good things in my head. You know, I don't do YouTube for the sake of doing YouTube. I have aim to do. The reason I do YouTube is basically people get attracted, people come visit the Discord, people come take the mentorship. I am a selfish person, right? At the end of the day, every human being is. So you don't have to be grateful. I'm doing it for my own benefit. I'm just an honest answer. I'm nothing different from what you can be or what you are. It's just maybe a couple of steps ahead of you in terms of your learning. That's all. Thank you. Yeah, I'm confused now what the fuck this market wants. I mean, it's such a chop fest. It gives a move and then fucking turns around. Kumar, the thing is, what's the use if I'm not honest? What will I get? By pretending to be something that I'm not, will it give me something? Or, you know, bloating on YouTube make my life better? No. I would rather have people in whom I spend time with in Discord, talk to, who I try to teach, to know who I really am, instead of a fake person. They should not think of me like that, right? I don't want to be an influencer. My life's goal is not to be an influencer. My life's goal is to basically build a proper prop desk, trading multi-million-dollar funds. That's my goal of life. It's honestly not to be an influencer. This Discord and teaching and everything is, for me, a way to find good people, good traders who I can work with in the long run. And I've always told that. I don't know, guys. I really feel it wants to go lower. I really want to short it again. It's just fucking around with my mind right now. Fuck you, market. Fuck you. Fake promises with 100% win rate. I hope that's not for me. My win rate is around 60 odd percent. I don't ever say my win rate is 100%. I'm around 60 odd percent, 60, 70. Good months are 70. Okay-ish months are 60, and then bad months are around 50. Like in January, when I had a fucking terrible month, my win rate was 56% at that month. Yeah. It's normal. I just, yeah, that's what trading is, isn't it? If somebody comes and tells me they know a lot and they are fucking brilliant, well, mate, what the fuck are you doing on YouTube? Yeah, yes, exactly. Yes, they are stupid. I mean, I basically have this question, right? So I see all these crypto gurus and fucking intraday traders like me trading on YouTube and everywhere, and I'm like, if you have achieved what you wanted to achieve, like as in, like, if you are good at trading, you really don't need any other source of income, right? Overall. And if you are really, really good at trading, then you fucking really don't need anything else. So the reason I do it is because, yes, I'm good at trading, but I trade better when I have other sources of income, because I'm not so worried about, keeping my lights on. So that basically reduces the stress on me, and I'm able to kind of concentrate. And I love teaching. That's why I'm not a signals group. That's why I never said, if you add anyone who comes to Discord, I always say the same thing. You're coming here to learn. You're not coming here for signals, because I'll not give any signals. Like, the YouTube is a funnel into the Discord, but once you're in Discord, it's more about learning. If you don't ask question, you're wasting your time there. Yeah, and I love teaching. I think I'm good at teaching. I should have been a professor. Like, my friends tell me that I should have been a salesperson, but I think I should have been a professor. I so want to go long, but how the fuck do I enter this? Let's wait for another 2-minute candle. It's a good long. No, it's a good long as of now. Like, we have seen some acceleration, but remember that we are still trading inside of that first fair value gap. We have not yet broken above it. So, I mean, until now, it has not given you any confirmation. Yes, there are some fair value gaps here. So you just wait for a new high to be created. But yeah, overall, it looks beautiful. Like, London low taken, proper liquidity sweep, good reversal, ILM offered, retest done, everything is in play. But the stop loss is too wide. Like, if you're putting your stops here, it's $200 stops, $175. If you're putting here $85, not bad. I would rather want to see a retest of this fair value gap. So what I would like to see is, if you leave a fair value gap here, can you go retest that? And then I can put my stops under here and just aim for previous day low from here. That's the kind of trade I will want to see. Will I get that? I have no fucking idea. Yeah, it's very wide stop loss. So yeah. So now aim is that, can you give me a retest of this? Or you can enter over here with a bit risk. $56, you're getting a 3-hour trade. I don't mind that. If you get a retest, that's perfect then. And keep an eye on this 4-hourly fair value gap as well. Is this the 4-hourly fair value gap? That's way below. What is that then? Oh, the 15-minute fair value gap. Oof, look at that candle. Just wait for 3 more minutes. I mean, honestly, just wait for 3 more minutes. Like, this is a beautiful candle. If it can close like this, then you can just long. AM low. And which low, man? No. Which long are you talking about? Which low are you talking about, Vadya? New York AM low. Low should be down, brother or sister. This is the high. But that's just created, so it's okay. It's the same session. No, but this is the intra-session high, so that's fine. So now you want to see a reaction. If you can react to this fair value gap, great, amazing, good work, and you go long. If you don't react to it and you invert it, then again this motherfucker goes away and we start looking for short, because the moment it inverts, I'll want another candle to close lower, but this could be a trade that you could look for if it can invert it, and then you can again aim for that 400% area, which is somewhere out here. So yeah, so inversion is done. What I'm waiting for is another candle towards the downside to confirm. Ouch, look at that push. Oof. I think I'll have to go lower. Okay, so if we are to short here somewhere, I would rather want to short it over here somewhere and put my stops just at this area, or you can use this high, that's fine. But this area is also cool. Yeah, I want it to come back a little. It just wants to keep pushing. Come back! Come back, you fucking piece of shit. Okay, at the close of this candle, I will go short with this as a stop loss, and yeah, just let it be. Oh, fuck. Okay, I'm short. I am confirmed short. Entry somewhere around here. And I'll again aim for that 15-minute 400%. So it's not here. It's somewhere down here. I'll put it out there. I'll put it. Don't worry. This will be the last try for me. I've given it a couple of tries. It has failed all the time. So somewhere around here. So let's see. If this one doesn't work, then I'm done for. I'll not be giving it more tries. I think I've given it enough tries. Same question as Po. Isn't it worrying that we didn't manipulate the New York AM high? Yes, it is. But do you not take any risk then, Po? Like, I still have to take a risk, right? If I feel that there is a chance that the market is leaving a high, there are two reasons. Okay. So there are always two reasons a market will leave some sort of a high. Number one, it is manipulating the lows somehow, right? It will go down, manipulate the lows, come back for the highs. Number two, it is leaving it for later. Why is it leaving it for later? It could go down, right? It could very well stop me out, but it could go down, take this low, just take that 400%, tip that, and then just rush higher. So you basically always are trying to see what options the market is presenting and why it is presenting those. It can 120% reverse from here and just rally higher. Take that high and keep rallying. That's 100% feasible. But for that, we take into account what have we achieved? What are we left with? Like this short, I would have loved to taken it from here, right? And taken a TP at 200%, but my entry was late. So I need to wait for market to take this New York AM low where I can take a TP and then goes break even. So nothing before that. And overall, yeah, it looks like it's going to do a proper turtle soup right over here. So let's see. I'll move my stops to this high right over here. Just save a little bit of risk. So 29,206.5. So it stops at 29,206.5. The reason I've moved it there is because it has achieved 200%. Now, if it wants to go down here, it will not really invert this fair value gap on 15 seconds. As you see, it's this one. So it should not go above it. It should try to stay below it. Logically, it could basically just pip me out and then go down. But also remember, if it stops me out, I am happy to take a long, but will I don't think so. I'll just call it a day. I have already made good money in the morning, so I'm just gonna chill out. I think it wants to make us think it wants to take that low, because the way it is trading right now, it doesn't want to take anything. Oh, you're gonna pip me out, aren't you? You're gonna pip me out, you bitch. My life is basically crashing right now. I'm safe right now. I'm not stopped out. I don't know how. Top step has not stopped me out. Maybe there is a small difference. Yes. Oh, now I'm stopped out. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. 0.7 R minus 0.7 R for the session, which is okay. I think there is a long forming now. I might take it, but according to my rules and everything, I'll have to take a break for at least 30 minutes before I can take a trade. So that's fine. If I take a trade, I'll put it on Discord and I'll let you guys know. But it cannot be in the next 30 minutes and it has to be after 30 minutes. And yeah, I'll see you guys on, when do we see each other again? I think we see each other on Tuesday, because Monday it's Kumar. So Kumar, your friend, is going to be streaming on Monday, and I'll be with you on Tuesday. If it goes down from here, I'm going to cry. I swear I'm going to cry. But yeah, that's fine. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for losing a little bit with me. It's always fun to lose some. If you are on Discord, say hi. If you're not, then join us. It's fun. We lose every day. It's very, very much fun to lose with us. Yeah, it's going to go down now. Don't worry. It's going to crash down. Like, if anybody is interested, take this shot. Just take it and forget about the world. It's going to go down aggressively, and I can't enter it because I fucking have rules. Yeah, fuck me. Why did I move my stop loss? Could have left it there. Twice I've done the mistake today. But that's fine. All right, people. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. And I'll see you on Tuesday then. See ya. Bye-bye.